Hey, I'm Ryan Lindsay, owner of GoFab CNC, and this video is all about legacy. We had a legacy table come to us about 4 months ago that's been all over the place. It's had at least 2 different owners. It came to us from Florida. It's probably lived some of its life outside, and it shows, but it was in active service at the time that we took it, which is really cool. But it got me thinking, what can we do to take these legacy tables and elevate them to the best that we could possibly make them? And that's what this video is about, and it's what we've been working on. So I'm excited to show it to you, and I hope you like it. And here it is, an all-new robot for the legacy tables. It's got everything we could possibly throw at it. Everything is labeled, everything has a place, everything is thought out. Even the mister, it's on the same plate as the torch, so that when you take the torch off because you're switching to another tool, the mister travels with it. So when you put it back, it's right back in the same place again. You don't have to move it out of the way. And when you're storing it, it's got its designated home up here on the top of the x-axis with magnets that hold it in place. When you switch out to another tool like this pen tool, all of our slider plates use 2 rails instead of 1 just to make them that much more rigid. This is the Engraver Tool. And all new for this robot that we've never done before is a spindle. A lot of people have asked for this from day one when we were making tables, and I've always wanted one myself, and now we have one, and it's all because of that quad lock alignment system. It's got an 1/8 inch collet. I can't wait to see what people do with it. The mister has a tank that's built into the robot arm, and all of the hosing is internal, so none of it's exposed. It's all nice and clean how it runs over to the mister itself. For the V-groove bearings, we moved everything as close to the rail as possible, so there's no washers, there's no spacing, there's cutouts for the bolts that hold the rail on. It's a very tight package. And on the bridge, we had to do a new bridge for this robot because we wanted to move that geared rack away from the back, specifically so we could do these bearings on all 4 edges of that bridge. So even if you just use those top ones right there, it rolls smooth and it's rigid. But with those bottom ones, it makes it that much more rigid for doing things like the spindle. You can see the flush mount proximity sensors. They're more precise than the mechanical, and they're protected because they're flush mount like that. This is that drive unit that's protected inside of that arm. And on the x-axis, everything is internal. So the regulators are internal, the solenoids are internal, the wiring is internal, all of it's protected. And it also comes with the Mega Control Box, which is an awesome control box. It has the fans, it has the digital drivers, it's got the ability to run everything that we've got, it's got the ability to run that spindle. It's a great control box. So to sum up, if you get this upgrade package, the only thing that's getting reused on your table is the frame and the bed. That's it. The robot is getting completely replaced. The metal bridge of the robot is getting replaced. We had to. So you get a whole new robot. You get all new wires, all new bearings, all new drag chain, all new everything, all new motors. And you're getting those drive units, and those drive units were necessary too because the 15 tooth pinions that we've always used, that we still use, are a little bit rough whenever they're rotating, and we wanted to go to bigger ones. So these are 40 tooth, which means they roll really smooth, but they require more torque. And those motors can't direct drive the 40 tooth pinions, which is why we had to go to those drive units that are a 3-to-1 reduction, so that we do have the torque to get all of that movement and all of that smoothness out of those new pinions. You also get the proximity sensors, which are awesome. They're flush mounted, so you never have to worry about them smashing into anything or getting knocked off. You also get, it comes with every tool that we offer. So even if you already have those tools, you get them again. It comes with the engraver, it comes with the pen tool, it comes with the laser, the 20-watt laser, which I didn't mention, and I didn't have one when I was doing the video at the shop. And it comes with that spindle, which we've never offered before, not even on our new tables. Digital drivers, that new control box. It comes with a ton of stuff. I'll try and list everything. It's hard to remember all the stuff that it comes with. I'll try and make a page at the end of this and just list out everything that it comes with. But it comes with everything we could possibly think of. So it completely changes the way you're going to interact with your table. It tries to make everything as convenient, as easy, as low stress, and as capable as it possibly can, and as future-proof as it can. With that quad lock system, we can keep coming out with different tools, and it's going to be so easy to swap them out. And we've already got tools that are lined up for it, so there's stuff coming. But anyway, I'll break all that down in a final sheet. I hope you guys are excited about it. Let me know what you think.